The insulated Swix waist belt. This is something that is, I think, it doesn't fall in the category of a luxury. This is a must-have. If you're going to be in the elements, let's say snowboarding, skiing, the whole day, this is a must-have. It's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. So here, I think this is cute, right? It has the area so that you can put your information in case of emergency. This is an insulated water tank. So there you go. There's the lid right there. It's insulated. This thing is not going to freeze, right? No matter how long you're out there, it's not going to freeze. And let me show you how to get to that tank. So you see, that's the tank. It's totally insulated. You see the insulation right there? Really nice insulated water tank. And it has this clip so that you can put your keys or your phone or anything on there, and it's readily available in this little pocket right there. So what we put in there, cell phones, other toiletries, other things that you're going to need, hand warmers. In this case, what I put in there is an electric hand warmer. Let me see if I have it here. Sure I do. So I put a electric hand warmer in there in case stuff gets, really rough. I put my hand warmer in there, and then I keep it in there so that sometimes you need to take your gloves off to change, right? To change things around, to maybe answer a phone or do something. Then your hands are gonna get cold. So I have my Zippo in there to heat up my hands. So I hold insulators, extra gloves, all kinds of things. This is so well made, with these really tough belt buckles that last forever, right? You see? And it is something that I recommend that you use, right? So when I'm out there, right, doing this thing, right, doing the snowboarding, I have it right there. And let me see if you can see me. Yeah, I have it right there, right? And dude, this is super comfortable to carry, and I super recommend.